What if your money could make you more money? Sounds like magic, right? That's the power of investing, and it's something you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick with us as we break down the basics of investing into simple, easy-to-follow steps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start growing your wealth and securing your financial future. Let's start with the basics. What does it mean to invest? Investing is when you put your money into something, like stocks, bonds, or real estate, with the expectation that it will grow over time. In other words, it's making your money work for you instead of just sitting in a savings account. Here's why investing matters. Inflation eats away at your money's value over time. If you're not investing, you're losing purchasing power. But with investing, you can outpace inflation and build wealth over time. Think of investing as a long-term game. It's about building financial security, not getting rich quick. Now that you know why investing is important, let's explore some common types of investments. When you buy stocks, you're buying a small piece of a company. If the company grows, so does the value of your stock. Stocks are a great way to build wealth, but they can be volatile in the short term. Bonds are like IOUs. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or government in exchange for regular interest payments. They're generally less risky than stocks, but offer lower returns. If picking individual stocks sounds overwhelming, mutual funds and ETFs are your best friends. These are baskets of investments that give you instant diversification. It's like buying a little bit of everything instead of putting all your money into one place. Each type of investment has its pros and cons. The key is finding what works for your goals and risk tolerance. Ready to start? Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Are you investing for retirement, a house, or something else? Your goals will determine your strategy. For long-term goals like retirement, you can take more risks because you have time to recover from market dips. Are you okay with ups and downs, or do you prefer stability? Knowing your risk tolerance helps you choose investments that won't keep you up at night. You don't need a fortune to get started. Many platforms let you invest with as little as $10. Start small, stay consistent, and let compound interest work its magic. Investing might feel intimidating at first, but these strategies will keep you on the right track. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. Over time, this reduces the impact of market fluctuations. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across different asset types, industries, and even countries to spread your risk. High fees can eat into your returns over time. Look for low-cost index funds or ETFs and platforms with minimal fees. Even seasoned investors make mistakes. Here's how to avoid the most common pitfalls. No one can perfectly predict market highs and lows. Focus on time in the market, not timing the market. It's easy to panic when markets dip or get greedy when they soar. Stick to your plan and don't let emotions control your decisions. Before you invest, make sure you have an emergency fund in place. This protects you from needing to sell investments during a crisis. Finally, let's look at some tools that make investing easier than ever. Robo-advisors automatically manage your portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Perfect for beginners, platforms like Robinhood and Acorns let you buy fractions of expensive stocks, so you don't need hundreds of dollars to own a piece of top companies. Use free resources like YouTube tutorials, blogs, and finance books to deepen your knowledge. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or scary. With the basics we've covered today, you're ready to take your first steps toward financial growth. So what are you waiting for? Start small, stay consistent, and let your money work for you. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe for more bite-sized financial wisdom here at Factful Wealth. Drop a comment below with your first investing goal. We'd love to cheer you on.